Whew. Yeah. Oh my. Boat materials are getting ready to depart in a couple of days. It's rainy. Okay, this needs to go there. Italian wine. This is not gonna break, so that can be in between two bottles of Porto. Refrigerator. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough room for everything. It's full. So now I'm gonna put the rest in my primary refrigerator, but it's not cooling anymore. I can still turn it on. Listen, but it gives now an error because the 220 is not connected and the thermometer, the temp gauge, is not connected anymore. So it gives an error. But yeah, it used way too much energy to refrigerate stuff, so I'm not going to use it anymore for refrigeration. I still use it for bread. Oh, I still have a lot of bread. I bought too much again. Oh, I still have 2 pots of spaghetti. So yeah, I bought 2 more. Not anymore. Ah, it's wieners, sausages, and sugar again. Oh man, I bought everything double. It's not a waste, but I'm not gonna use it now. My batteries were empty, so they're recharging now, and we can go on with this crap. I still have this bread, but that's I'm gonna eat. Good enough. Now, the problem with the Netherlands is that you can't have a toilet anymore that ends up in the water. So I'm gonna bring bags that I can use as poo bags, like a dog, to hang in the toilet. Let's check if these are capable. They can be too thin. Now the thing is that you can't pee in them. Let's check it out. My little toilet. The thing is, it's all small here, so I don't know if you can see anything. Here. Oh, it's not too bad. No, it's not too bad. The thing is, if something drops here, you can just take this corner out, otherwise. It's big enough, so that's gonna work. I'm gonna keep that here. When the police is stopping me, they can see that I'm using it like that. I still have a lot of room there, but it's almost unusable. A lot of crap. Brought some stuff from home. Oh yeah. My wireless charger, a secondary spare quick connect for the outboard, for the Everroot, sunglass, safety thing for your neck, that's a spare one, I bought that yesterday. Oh, that's a stick for the anti-fouling. I brought this one, so now I have a lot of outlets. This is for Yeah, for the back, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'm not needing it anymore. I have a fuel open and close thingy. I thought maybe I better put it in right after the fuel tank, because if you have a leak, or ever you have it. I have no fuel, not diesel. Diesel I don't care, but gas is a little bit more dangerous to have in the village. I do bought these connectors for the VHF, but I fixed it just by wrapping the wires around to connect. And then I bought this one, and yesterday I went to get my batteries. A pump for fuel with a button. So, and underneath, how do you call that? An impeller. And it turns. I don't know, it's probably crap, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. And I kept the back because it's a good one, because it's fuel. Oh, there is a hole in it, so it's gonna leak. I hope that would make it airtight closed, so it doesn't smell, but there's a hole here, so maybe with some duct tape. There. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more.